Good morning, guys. Good morning, online and offline. Online, guys, my voice is clear. Am I audible? Online, guys, voice is clear. Anybody, please respond. All right. Guys, yesterday we discussed software development life cycle is completed, how to write the test cases based on the customer requirement. The next one, testing methods or techniques. Testing methods or techniques. There are different types is there, testing methods or technique. Black box testing, white box testing, and gray box testing. Yeah, Gautami, text me here. Black box testing, white box testing, and gray box testing. What is the black box testing? Who will be there in this black box testing? Yeah, the black box testing is nothing but who will verify application front-end functionality. The type of testers we call black box tester. We are all black box testers. We are all black box testers. As a tester, we need to validate the application front end. The application functionality is properly working or not, we need to validate. Who will do? The tester able to do. This is done by testers end. The black box testing is done by tester end. See guys, when I enter the URL, it should be displayed application functionality. This is the application functionality. This functionality is properly working or not based on the customer expected. We need to validate. We need to validate. And after that, white box testing. White box testing. Who will verify application coding part backend? Who will verify application coding part? When they will verify? Before sending the application to testing department, they will verify coding part, the application is properly working or not. The application related code is working as per our expected, then immediately the developer release the application to testing department for testing. Is it clear? Yeah, I will repeat again. White box testing is nothing but who will verify application coding part backend. The type of testers we call white box tester. Okay, next point. When they will validate the application coding part before release the application to testing department, the developer, they will verify the code is properly working or not. This is done by dev side. The next one, gray box testing. Who will verify application functionality plus coding part? Those testers we call gray box testers. Nowadays, we are not using gray box testers. Some people are using, startup company people are using. Nowadays, most of people are maintain black and white. Why? Because the gray box tester able to do the testing and developing. We are unable to release quality product to the customer. Why? Because the developer developed the application backend. At the same time, the developer validate the application functionality. So 100% those people are unable to release the quality product to the customer. That purpose nowadays not maximum, everyone using black separate, white separate. In this time, compare with the gray box testing, 100% we are able to release the quality product. We are able to release quality product to the customer. Yeah. Black box testing is nothing but who will verify the application functionality. The testers we call black box testers. We are all comes under black box tester. And the second one, who will verify the application coding part backend. The type of testers we call white box testers. Next one, who will verify the application functionality front end and application coding part backend. Those people we call gray box testers. Nowadays, we are using black is separate, white is separate. This is we call testing methods or techniques. Is it clear or not? Any doubt? Any doubt? Online and offline? It is clear, guys? Any doubt? The next concept, levels of testing. The next concept, levels of testing. Levels of testing. Okay. See, guys, we have different types of levels is there. The first one, unit level. The first one, unit level. The second one, module level. Come in. The second one, module level. And the third one, integration level. The next one, system level. The next one, user acceptance level. These are all we call levels of testing. These are all we call levels of testing. First of all, we are going to discuss about unit level testing. Okay? Unit level testing. Levels of testing. There are a different types. Is there unit level testing, module level testing, and integration level testing, system level testing, user acceptance level testing. Basically, this is we call UAT. UAT. Okay? We call UAT. Yeah. The first one, unit level testing. What is the meaning of the unit? Unit. Unit means? Huh? What is that one? What, unit. What is general terminology? What is the unit? You guys are observe here in real time. We are unable to release the application at a time, whole application, we are unable to release to the customer. In real time, whole application, 100 requirements, at a time we are unable to release. We are able to release the application to customer unit wise, specific functionality. For example, this month we need to release some specific functionality. Next month we need to release some specific functionality. Same like unit is nothing but if you want to release any specific application to customer, that related information you need to do unit testing. That related means whatever you release. For example, you guys are observe. This is our application. We are able to release Salesforce logo and username, password, and login only. You no need to release these are all things. Only we are able to release Salesforce logo, username, password, and login. This related code the developer will develop. That is we call a unit. Specific. Okay. Unit level testing is nothing but if you want to release any specific application functionality to customer, that related information we need to develop. That is we call unit testing. Before release the application to testing department, the developers, they will do unit testing. I will repeat again. Point number one, in real time, we are unable to release whole application at a time to customer. Point number two, we are able to release the application to customer unit wise. In future session, how to release, I will tell you when I start the agile methodology. Okay. How to release to customer. If you want to release the application to customer, we need to release unit wise. What is the unit? Whatever you release to customer, that is we call unit. Before releasing, if you want to release the application to customer, after completion of the testing, we are able to release. Okay. Before sending the application to testing department, the developer, they will do whatever you release. The developer, they will do whatever you release. They will do the unit testing. Once complete the unit testing, the developer sending the application to testing department. The unit testing is done by white box tester. This is not our end, but you need some knowledge. What is the unit testing? Is it clear? Shall I repeat? Is it clear? Shall I repeat? Yeah. See guys, the first step, unit is nothing but a specific. Okay. See, step number 1, if you want to release the application to customer, we are unable to release whole application at a time. Step number 2, we are able to release the application to customer unit wise. Okay. Step number 3, whatever you release to next month, that application related code we need to develop. Whatever you release next month, that application related code we need to develop. Once developing is completed, I need to do the unit testing again. That is working or not. That is working or not. In real time, I have 1 to 200 lines code is there. 1 to 200 lines code is there. For example, okay, this is 20 requirements related code. Listen carefully. 20 requirements related code. Okay, but I no need to release 20 requirement at a time. I want to release only 5 requirement unit. 5 requirements. I want to release 5 requirements. Just I need to put the checkpoint here. I need to execute the application. I need to put the checkpoint, and once I put the checkpoint, I will execute the application. See guys, this is starting from 15. Okay, my first requirement starting from 15 and ending, for example, okay, ending for example here 21. Okay, 15 to 21 between total 5 requirements is there. I need to execute only that code. Just example, you people are able to understand. I need to execute only that much of code. I no need to execute whole code. Why? Because we are not releasing 20 requirement at a time. We are able to release only 5 requirement. That is specific. You need to put some checkpoint. You need to execute that code. That code is executed successfully. You can send the application to testing department. Clear? Yeah. Okay. I know this is you people are little bit look like little bit confused. Just I explain one more time points wise. Please remember. Okay. First point. Once you guys are join the company, the developers unable to release whole application at a time. First point. At a time, whole application means 100 requirements we are unable to release at a time. That's it. See here, every month we need to release the application to customer. We will show you the progress, work progress to customer. How you guys are able to show you to customer. For example, this month you need to take 5 requirements. You need to develop the 5 requirement. After developing the five requirements you need to sending to the testing department. They will test the application. Everything is as per customer expected is there. Then the tester release the application to customer. That is the process. Whole application we are unable to release at a time. Unit is nothing but if you want to release any application specific functionality to customer, we need to execute the specific functionality through checkpoints. Once it is executed successfully, you need to release the application, whatever you executed. You need to release the application 5 requirement to the testing department. The testers, they will validate the application functionality. The unit is done by only dev side, not our end. Not our end. Is it clear or not? Is it clear or not? Okay. Yeah. If you have any doubts, unit, please ask me. Definitely I will repeat. I think you people are getting some idea. Unit means some part, specific. Okay. Specific code we are able with specific functionality we need to release to the customer. Before release the application to customer, the developer, they will do unit testing. Unit means specific. Okay. See why we call unit. We are able to release particular requirement. That particular requirement we call a unit. Is it clear? Yeah. The next one, module level testing. The next one, module level testing. How you guys are able to find in this application module? My question is clear. How you guys are able to find in this application module? Which is the module here? Which is the module here? Yeah, Mina. This is our application. Okay. In this application, how many modules is available? Tell me one module. Huh? All. All is module. Okay. Yeah, it is correct. How you guys are able to find this is module? How you guys are recognize this is module? Yeah, correct. Correct. Yeah, speak out. That is right or wrong. I will tell you. Yeah, you are unable to answer. Definitely, I will tell you number of times. You don't worry about that one. First, you guys are try to say something. Yeah, that is I am telling. How you guys are able to recognize this is module, this is not a module, this is module, this is not. That is the question. Yeah, that. Okay. I said I will give the clue. Main functionality, major functionality, and low level, high level. Low level, high level. Major and minor. What is the major? Yeah. What is the meaning of the major? I said clearly. The last class I was explained what is the major. How you guys are able to find the major. This is the major. This is minor. This is major. This is minor. How you guys are able to find? Okay, someone says functionality. Okay, correct. Which functionality? Yeah. How you guys are able to find the module which is involved more than application functionality? That is we call major. I said clearly the last class, which is involve more than application functionality, that is we call major or module. You guys are observe. Once I click on the all button, you guys are observe. So many submodules is there, which is involved in this all button more than application functionality, that is we call module. This is the major. This is not a major. This is not a major. If I want to click on the mobile, I am able to get only mobile information. When I click on the all button, it should be displayed different types of elements information. Module level testing is nothing but first step. You guys are recognize, identify in this application how many modules is available. First step. Module testing is nothing but once you guys are launch your application homepage, in this homepage, how many modules is available, you need to identify or recognize. How you guys are able to recognize? You know, which is involved more than application functionality, that is we call module or major. Yeah, you guys are able to find total here only 2 is there. All. Search button all and here all. Okay, just imagine. Okay, 2 modules is there. First of all, if you want to do the module level testing, first of all recognize, yeah, I found 2 modules. Second step, the modules is properly working or not, I need to verify. Yes, it is working. Third step, based on the customer requirement, listen carefully, based on the customer requirement, every submodule is available or not. Every submodule is available or not. Step number 3, every submodule is available under module. Every submodule is available under module based on the customer requirement. You need to validate every submodule is properly working or not. You need to validate every submodule is properly working or not. This type of testing we are unable to 1 or 2 days, guys. They will provide 1 week or 10 days. We are unable to do within 1 or 2 days. They will give some time, 10 days or 15 days. If you want to validate these are all things, it will be take some time. It is not possible within 1 or 2 days. So once you guys are validate all submodules is working fine, finally you need to do every submodule related language is correct or not, spellings is correct or not. That is we call language verification. Language verification. I will repeat one more time. You guys are observe. I will repeat one more time. The first step, you guys are recognize or identify in this application homepage how many modules is there. First step. Once you guys are found the modules, you need to validate. Verification is completed. You need to validate it is working or not. Yes, it is working. Okay. Third step, once you guys are click on the module, based on the customer expected, every submodule is there or not. Step number 4, every submodule is properly working or not. Step number 5, we need to do, before leaving the module level testing, we need to do language verification. That is we call UAT testing. That is we call, sorry, GUI testing, graphical user mistake. Okay, GUI testing. Any spelling mistakes is there or not, we need to validate. In this application functionality, any spelling mistakes is there or not, we need to validate. Is it clear or not? Any doubt? Any doubt? Unit testing and module level testing, is it clear? Any doubt? Yeah. Tell me, what is the module level testing first step? Yeah, verifying and identify the modules in application. Second step, validate. Validate. Third step, yes, verify under the module all the submodules is available or not, based on, yes. Next step, submodule. Before leaving the module level testing, what we need to do? That's it. Clear, everybody? It is important, module level testing. Okay, why? Because which is involved more than application functionality, the type of element we need to validate clearly and properly. Okay, the next one, integration level testing. Okay, integration. Okay, you guys are concentrate here. You guys are concentrate here. See, please don't write. Integration level testing. Module level testing is done by black box testers. Unit level testing is done by white box tester. They will develop module, they will test. Okay, module is done by black and unit is done by, yeah. Coming to the integration testing, listen carefully. Okay, after completion of the integration testing, you guys are able to explain who will do the integration testing. Okay, listen. Okay, listen, you guys are listen. We are all working in one company. Just imagine TCS. We are all working in TCS. Total 4 people are working in TCS. 5 people are working in TCS. Clear? Yeah. Second point, our project is India. Our project is India. Clear? Okay. And remaining 1 people is working in head office in India. Remaining 4 people are working in different locations. Location means US, UK, Japan, Australia. Is it clear? Clear? Yeah. Real time scenario. See, the Japan people, first US, the US people develop all related code. The UK people develop Amazon related code, Amazon mini TV related code. Japan people develop cell related code. Australian people develop bestseller related code. Okay, they developed this 4 elements related code. After that, they will push the code. They will push the code to Indian people. They will push the code to India. Okay, the project head office is the India. Okay, and US people push the code, all UK people push the code, Amazon Mini TV and Japan people push the code, cell related Australian people push the code, bestseller. Is it clear? The Indian people got all the code, all the code. The Indian people got all the code. Once got the code, the Indian developers, they will use one framework. They will use one framework. In that framework, based on the customer order, what is the first one? All. Second one, Amazon Mini TV. Third one, Cell. Fourth one, bestseller. Based on the customer order, the Indian developer, they will create a framework. They will put it into one place based on the customer order. In this framework, they will execute the code. Once the code is working as per customer expected, the order it should be displayed. The order it should be displayed. Anything is not working. For example, all is there, Amazon Mini TV is there, but we are expecting third position cell, but cell it should be displayed second position. That is called a defect. That is called a issue. Immediately the Indian developer informed to the Japan people. They will modify the code. Again, they will pull the code, push the code to Indian people. Again, the Indian people, whatever they develop the framework structure, in that framework, the developer put it into first all related code, second Amazon related code, third cell related code, fourth bestseller related code. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then they will execute the code. Once they will execute the code, the order it should be displayed. The code is working fine. The code is working fine. This is we call integration. Integrate. In your, you people are able to understand. Put it into one place. Integrate. Put it into one place. Which place? In this framework, based on the customer order. That is we call integration level testing. Now it is clear? Clear? Yeah, listen. Integration testing is nothing but once develop the code based on the customer expected, once develop the code based on the customer expected, the developers, they will integrate all the code. They will integrate all the code as per customer expected. Then they will execute the code. That is the definition. Okay. This is you people are able to understand. That's why I was explained clearly. Okay. The first one is the all, second one is the Amazon Mini TV. The third one is the cell. The fourth one is the best seller. This is the order. This is the order. Yeah, I will repeat again. You guys are observed. Integration testing is nothing but once the developer develop the application related code, the particular developer, they will design one framework. In that framework, the developer, they will integrate, which is we are able to release. The developer, they will integrate, which is we are able to release. That code they will provide based on the customer order. That code the developer provide based on the customer order. That is we call integration level testing. Is it clear or not? Shall I repeat again? Yeah, I will repeat one more time. Once the developers, not to developer, once the developers develop the application related code, the particular developer, they will design one framework. They will integrate all the code, all the means which is we are able to release. They will integrate all the code. All the code means which is we are able to release. Once they will integrate, put it into one place, they will execute the code. That is we call integration level testing. Is it clear or not? Clear? Shall I repeat? Clear? Who will do this type of testing? White box testers. This is not our end. White box testers. See, integration, just store in your mind. Okay. Once complete the code, they will integrate all the code. The code is properly working or not, they will validate. That's it. Simple. Okay. Once complete the code, release related code, they will integrate based on the customer order. They will execute the code. The code is properly working or not. Something is not working, they will inform to particular developer, they will modify the code, and again they will push the code, and they will add, and they will again execute. Clear? Yeah. Integration is completed. The next one, system level testing. System level testing. Whatever they integrate, they means developers. Whatever they integrate, the integrate related functionality is properly working or not, we need to do system level. Whatever they integrate, that related application functionality is properly working or not, we need to do system level testing. Development is completed, integration is completed. After that, what we need to do? Testing. Which we are able to validate, whatever we are integrate. This is release related information. Okay. Sell and all bestseller and sell, we are able to release. Whatever they integrate, that integrate related information, I need to do testing, system level testing. Is it clear or not? I will repeat again. Listen carefully. System level testing is nothing but whatever the developer integrate, the integrate functionality is properly working or not. As a tester, we need to do system level. Whatever they integrate, the integrate functionality is properly working or not. As a tester, I need to do system level. Whatever they integrate, that related functionality is properly working or not. As a tester, I need to do system level. That is we call system level testing. Testing is completed. What is the next one? Release. Release means UAT testing. User, customer, acceptance, verifying, testing, validate. U means customer, user, and A means acceptance. You're providing quality, they will accept. Testing is completed. User acceptance testing. Once release the application to customer, the customer, user, accept the application. This is quality. I accepted. You guys are proceed to next step. Again, you can start unit. Next, what we are able to release? Already we are released 1 to 5. 6 to 10, next release. Is it clear or not? Shall I repeat? Unit, UAT, UAT, shall I repeat? Yeah, very good. UAT, user acceptance level testing. Okay. Once complete the system level testing, we are able to release the application to customer. Is it clear? Yeah. The customer user able to verify this is quality, the application, whatever you release, all sell, bestseller, Amazon Mini TV, whatever you release, this is quality. The customer accept, user accept, testing is completed. Is it clear or not? Whatever you release, that is quality. Then user accept your release. Then you can move to the next step. UAT testing is nothing but once we release the application to customer, the customer, he will validate this is quality or not. This is quality as per customer expected is there. The customer, he will accept the application functionality. That is we call UAT testing. Clear? Guys, any doubt? Levels of testing? If you have any doubt, please tell me. Any doubt? Unit, module, integration, everything I was explained real-time scenarios, not a definitions wise. I explained one scenario real-time, that related I was explained. Okay. If you have any doubt, integration or module or unit or system and UAT, please tell me. I will repeat one more time. Yeah, Meena, integration and UAT. Yeah, integration level testing is nothing but our project head office is in India, and this is the major project. This is the major project. In this for example, Amazon. Okay, Amazon is the project. See, this project related people are working in different locations. Okay, see, we are able to release to customer next month all Amazon Mini TV sell bestseller. All is US people are developed. All US people are able to develop, and Amazon Mini TV, Amazon Mini TV developed UK people. Japan is developed cell. Just example, you people are able to understand. And Australian people are developed bestseller. Once the code is ready, US code is ready, UK code is ready, Japan code is ready, Australia code is ready. They will push the code to particular people. Particular people means project. Where is the project? In India. Okay. They will push the code to India. In this India, some developers, not a particular person, guys, some dev team is there. They will design one framework. They will design one framework based on the customer requirement. They will integrate all the code based on the customer order. They will put it into one place. Place means framework. They will put it into one place based on the customer order. Then they will execute the code. The code is working or not. It is working as per customer expected. This order it should be displayed. Sometimes it is not working. Cell is not displaying. Then immediately the Indian people inform to the Japan people, they will modify the code again, they will push the code to India. The Indian people again, they will integrate the based on the customer expected, based on the customer order, they will execute the code. This is the process. That is we call integration level testing. Okay, definition wise, integration level testing is nothing but once code is ready, which is we are able to release in bracket. Once code is ready in bracket, which is we are able to release. The dev team, they will integrate all the code. The dev team, they will integrate all the code. Once integration is completed, they will execute the code. Once execute the code, based on the customer expected, the system it should be displayed or not, they will verify. The dev team verify. Everything is fine. They will sending this integration, whatever we are released, this related information, they will sending to the testing department. Coming to the testing department, whatever they integrate, release related, whatever they integrate, the functionality, all is working or not, Amazon is working or not, Cell is working or not, bestseller is working or not, the tester able to do system level testing. Once testing is completed, we are ready to release the application to the customer. Okay, we are released the application to the customer. The customer user validate the application functionality. This is quality or not. This is quality, they will accept. UA, user accept. Once accept the application functionality, testing is completed. That is we call UAT testing. Any doubt? Meena? Any doubt? I think, okay, all right, thank you. I think Monday the link will be changed online, guys. Okay. Monday, I think link will be changed. You guys are up, so the Monday link will be changed. They will provide new link. Do you have any formalities you need to complete before the Monday? Okay, I will upload the notes in Monday. Monday evening, I will upload the notes in Google Classroom. Is it clear, everybody? The third concept is completed. Levels of testing is completed. Okay. Software development life cycle is completed. Testing methodology, testing methods or techniques is completed, and levels of testing is completed. These three topics I will provide in Google Classroom. This is the concept one. This is the concept one. You guys are observed manual testing SDLC. Okay, this is concept one. Yeah, and coming to the concept two, what I was discussed. Everything is there, guys. What I was explained. Okay, block white is missing. Okay, yeah, I will provide testing methods or techniques I will provide. Okay, This is concept 2. Everything is there with example. And concept 3. Yeah, this is the, okay, they mention concept 3. Black and white and gray box. Okay. These 3 concept I will provide in Google Classroom. Okay. And at the same time, I will provide Timers Bank application project and test case documentation. What I did, 22 test cases. The test case document I will provide in Google Classroom. Okay, up to now, what I was discussed, everything I will provide in Google Classroom. Okay, you know, after completion of the manual testing, I will provide typing notes, complete notes. Okay, manual testing, not concept wise, whole notes I will provide. Is it clear or not? Done. Now we are going to discuss about concept number 4. Software development process model. Software development process model. One minute. Yes. Software development process model. See guys, what is the software development process model? They are asking in different questions. First question, which model we are using in your project? Second question, which process you people are using in your project? Third question, which methodology you people are able to follow? 3 types of question. Questions are different, but only single concept. Questions are different, but answer is only one answer. You don't confuse. Process is same, model is same, methodology is same. Both are same. Okay? Yeah. What is the software development process model or testing methodology? What is the software development process model or methodology? Okay. If you want to release any application to customer, if you want to release any application to customer, must and should the company people need to follow one process or one model or one methodology? Is it clear? If you want to release the application to customer, the company people need to follow one process or one methodology or one model. That is we call software development process model or methodology. Is it clear or not? There are yet different types is there. There are yet different types is there. The first one is the waterfall model, sequential model. The second one is the prototype model. Third one is the evolutionary or incremental model, spiral model, V model, finally agile methodology. If you want to release the application to customer, we are able to use any one model. Okay, in this we have different models is there. Waterfall model, prototype model, and evolutionary model, spiral model, V model. Waterfall model is outdated model. Waterfall model is outdated model. But some company people are using startup company. Still in US people are using waterfall. Okay. And prototype is the outdated model. Evolutionary is the outdated model. Spiral is the some people, US people are using. That is also in India outdated model. V model is the outdated model. Nowadays people are using agile methodology. It is very important software development process model. It is very important. Question. What is the difference between waterfall model and agile methodology? What is the difference between the prototype and agile, spiral and agile, V model and agile? Why we are not using waterfall model? What is the disadvantage? Why we are using agile? What is the advantage? It is very important, guys. Okay. If you guys are facing any interview manual testing, 100% you people are able to get 2 to 3 questions from this concept. 100%. You people are able to get 2 to 3 questions. Damn sure question. Confirm from agile methodology. So you guys are don't neglect. Okay. Focus here. If I want to release the application to customer, I need to use waterfall model. Just imagine. I will explain why it is outdated. I will explain clearly. Why we are not using nowadays, why it is outdated, what is the disadvantage in this model. Okay. Waterfall. Waterfall. Clear? Waterfall. You know everyone. Waterfall. Okay. Done. If you want to release the application to customer, the customer is provide 100 requirements to company people. Okay. If you want to release the application to customer by using waterfall model, if you want to release the application to customer by using waterfall model, we are able to release the application to customer every 3 months. Every 3 months. Within these 3 months, how much we develop, how much we tested out of 100, how much we develop, how much we tested, that much of application you need to release to the customer. Is it clear or not? If you want to release the application to customer, we need to use waterfall model. In this waterfall model, we are able to release the application to customer every 3 months. Within 3 months, how much we develop, how much we tested, that much of application we are able to release to the customer. Is it clear or not? Yeah, listen, 3 months. Within 3 months, we released 5 requirement. Next 3 months, we released 5 requirement. Next 3 months, we released 5 requirement. Total, how many requirements we released? 15 requirement. How many months it will be take? Total 9 months. Is it clear or not? Clear? Listen. In the 6 months is completed. 6 months is completed. Next release. Next 3 months. Okay. We are able to release 5 requirements to customer. We released already. The customer, they will verify the application functionality. While verifying the application functionality, the customer getting one doubt or one idea. What is that idea? In this place, I need to add one more requirement. For example, total 15 elements is developed. In this time, third release time, okay, the customer got one idea. What is that idea? I need to add one new requirement. In this process. Immediately the customer informed to the company people, Mr. Guys, the first 2 releases I am satisfied. Third release, you guys are need to add one requirement. The time the company people immediately respond to customer, Mr. Customer, listen, why it is outdated. The company people inform to the customer immediately, Mr. Customer, we are using waterfall model. Once the process is started, we are unable to add new requirement in middle of the project. We are unable to add in this new requirement in middle of the project. That's why I'm telling before starting waterfall. What is the moment of the waterfall? Only flow. You are able to reverse it is possible? No. That's why that is the main disadvantage. We don't know customer able to get in middle of the project any new requirement. It is not possible to add the new requirement in middle of the project. That's why they will decide this is waterfall model. Is it clear? That's why the waterfall model is outdated model. Some people are using product-based, own product-based people are using. Some people are using. Service-based people are not using. Is it clear or not, waterfall model? Shall I repeat again? Yeah, I will repeat. Definitely, you people are able to ask or not, I will repeat 2-3 times, no problem. Waterfall model. If you want to release the application to customer, we need to use waterfall model. Second step. By using waterfall model, we are able to release the application to customer every 3 months. Third step. Within 3 months, how much we develop, how much we tested, only that much of application we are able to release to the customer. In this process, fourth step, in this process, 2 releases is completed. Third release, the customer will provide any new requirement. Not third release, guys. Second release or third release or fourth release. Just example, third release. Okay. In this second release, the customer is provide any new requirement to company people. Immediately the company people inform to the customer, Mr. Customer, we are using waterfall model. In this middle of the process, we are unable to add new requirement in this project. If I want to add this new requirement in middle of the process, again I will start from starting. This is time waste process. money waste process. The main disadvantage, we are unable to add new requirement in middle of the process. Is it clear or not? Clear? Everybody is clear? Shall I repeat? Okay. Any doubt, guys? Do you have any doubts? I think today is Saturday, so many people was not attend. That is the issue. Okay, reminding the software development process model. Same thing I will repeat tomorrow. Okay, so many people are not attend, but I am unable to discuss again levels of testing. Okay. Any doubt, guys? Do you have any doubts? Online and offline? I will provide the notes this Monday evening. Do you have any doubt? Please ask me. Do you have any doubt? Yeah, actually, once pay the everyone. That is not actually I am able to provide the notes, guys. Okay, we have some rules is there. They explain clearly. We said clearly. Then you guys are able to upload the notes. They said like that. Without that admin permission, I can't do. Okay, they will explain. So many people are pending is there. Okay, they will explain you can upload the notes. Okay, now they will explain now I will upload in this time. I don't ready. Everything is ready. Just I need to upload. You people are able to get the link. I will provide the code. How many people are able to get the link? Admin? Okay. Remaining some people is pending. Okay. Monday I will provide the code. If you want to download the notes, I will provide the code. Whenever you guys are enter the code, then you are able to access. Okay. Yeah, almost I think offline is completed. Some people is pending. Okay. Definitely I will provide tomorrow. I didn't get any information from the admin. So the admin give any intimation, anything, then immediately I will upload. Okay. Done? Anything? Yeah, already this is 11 o'clock, 9 o'clock. Naresh. Yeah, I got this one. 28th August. Yes. Okay. Guys, I got this one. Yeah. Yes. Once I provide this code, you people are able to access. Okay. Done. I will upload the notes, everything Monday. Okay. You guys are download. Okay. Some pendings is there, guys. See this chat box. Some pendings is there. Okay. Monday will be the link will be changed. Okay. Then I will upload. For example, if I want to provide the code in this time, Okay, you people are able to access everything without payment. Also you people are able to access. Got it? The access, if I want to provide the code, you people are able to access the nodes. Link you can collect your friend or anyone. Okay, you guys are enter the code, automatically you are able to access. So Monday I will provide the code. Okay, then you guys are able to download. Okay, just I need to provide this code. That's it. Okay guys, thank you very much. I will continue tomorrow. Just I need to release 10 minutes before. Okay, so many people are not attend. So if I want to continue the session, okay, that people are unable to understand the last concepts. Okay, yeah. And weekly, monthly, I am able to take the sessions. Weekends, 2 days. Okay, 2 days I am unable to take. Before the day, Friday, I will tell you when I am unable to take the session. For example, tomorrow Saturday, today Friday, today I will explain. Tomorrow we don't have a session. Okay, that thing I will explain. Okay guys, thank you. Thank you very much. Please guys, I provided homework, you guys are completed. Completed, how many people are completed? What about remaining guys? You are unable to understand, please ask me. Definitely I will explain guys. Okay, not to talupad. Okay, that is you guys are lost. Okay, I'm unable to lose guys. I explain clearly. You are unable to understand, I will tell you number of times. In weekend, I will be stay here. Okay, half an hour extra, 1 hour extra. I will be stay here. I am able to take 11 o'clock session, 11:30, no problem. Why? Because I will extend 1 o'clock that class. Okay, I am completely available weekends. If you have any doubts, please ask me. And weekdays also available, not this much. Okay, weekend come fully I am available. If you have any doubt, once I started code, if you have any doubt, please ask me. Okay, you can utilize me. Okay, thank you. Thank you one and all. And wait. Thank you one and all. After that something I said. Okay, ready అయిపోతా. Just write down. How to validate NOP commerce homepage. See guys on the board, online guys and offline guys, NOP commerce, NOP commerce, NOP. Okay, see guys, this is the homepage. How to validate NOP commerce application homepage. Okay, second requirement, admin area. Second requirement, admin area. Third requirement, second requirement, admin area. Third requirement, register. Third requirement, register. Fourth requirement, NOP commerce logo. NOP commerce logo. First validate homepage, second admin area, third registered, fourth NOP commerce logo. See guys, registered, once you click on this icon, it should be displayed registered. This is only you are able to validate on your mission. Mobile, it is not clear. You are able to validate, but it is not clear. Once you guys are launch the URL in your lab, it should be displayed like this. Maximum you guys are try to write the test cases by using this application in lab. You don't have a laptop, go to lab, you can write the test cases. Everything, verifying and validate. How to write the test cases? Same process you can follow. Okay, I provided 4 requirement, home page, second one admin area, third one registered, fourth one logo, NOP commerce logo. Okay, NOP commerce logo, that is homework. Okay, done. Now it is completed. Thank you guys. Thank you very much. I will continue tomorrow. Tomorrow means Monday.